Morning my friends, welcome back to the channel. So back on to the grafting of the Skyline. It's been 2 weeks, say the garage has not been open, like I said before in the last video. Another month or two we'll have our own unit so we can do content daily, but for the minute it's once a week, apart from last week when it was shut. But from now on, once a week. So I'm not sure what I got today. As you just seen then when I picked up, I got some new injectors for the Skyline. So they are flow tested to 950cc, so just under 1,000. Should get us plenty of power what we need for when we get the map done, the final map, not just this rubbish yield base map that's on it in a minute, and get some decent numbers, some good power. But yeah, let's get the garage. Not sure what I'm doing. I bought a new power steering belt as well, so we've got 3 belts to choose from. Hopefully one of them fits. Let's get up there. Okay, got the new belt on, adjusted it with the, there's just literally a, see that long rod there with a bolt on it. All you do basically is tighten that up and it tightens the belt up, easy as that. New belt's on, job done. Okay, next, I reckon I'm going to clean up this carpet because that's going to be going in soon. I mean, I'd like to completely replace it, but it'll be quite an hard thing to get new carpet for it. It's in good condition. Just needs a good old clean up, jet wash it, shampoo it, and maybe even dye it black. It's like a grey colour in a minute. I'll show you anyway, I'll give it a jet wash. Couldn't resist, guys, had to show you this car. It's one of the cars that was stored up here. The guy who owns it selling it. Well, he sold it. It's going today, and I just thought I'd stick it in the video just because it's awesome, and maybe one day I'll be able to get one, build it, stick a V8 in it. I mean, it's got no engine, nothing, but there it is. Yeah, all I'm doing with the carpet is I'll give it a quick jet wash, get all the debris that was on it, all the spider webs that were stuck on it from being stored up there for a while. Then snow foam it with like it's bubblegum smelling snow foam, so it smells nice, and then jet wash the foam off, and bosh, brand new looking and smelling. Back in the car, another thing ticked off the list. Okay, this is the other side. I thought I'd give you a before and after. Yeah, this is how it looked when I took it down from upstairs. Yeah, it's just crusty, musty and rusty. Right, there we go, snow foamed it. It's like a bubblegum flavour, so it should make the carpet smell nice as well once it's all dried. But yeah, this stuff at the back, I think I'm going to rip all this off because it's a bit mouldy and crusty, and buy some new sound deadening for the car, and should clean up a little bit. And that's probably got some smell in it from the 1960s that we need to just basically rip it all out and get some more fresh in there. Okay, now we just need to wait about 6 days or years for this thing to dry. Probably the worst time we'll be doing it in January when it's freezing.
Got seatbelt check.
Moose. Alright, boys. Oh, right. That is it for this one. Not a very proactive day at all, but also a productive day. Clean the carpet up, yeah, that's good. Needed to be done. Can't fit it yet because we need to buy sound deadening, whatever you want to call it. Put it on the floor and put the carpet over the top. Done the power steering belt. That's all tight now, adjusted that. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Rubbish that was. I say we're going to get more content coming once we got the garage. It's very busy up here, so there's not a lot I can do. And there's not a lot of room either, so I'm sort of just doing what I can. Not very motivated today, but next time I'll get lots more done. So like and subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing so far. I know it's not a great video, but they can't all be that great. I'll see you next time, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing